More guns and more scammers as the JCF strikes again.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A joint police-military team seized an M16 rifle with a magazine containing two 5.56 rounds of ammunition during an operation in the Norwood Zone of Special Operations about 7:15 p.m. on Friday night, February 25th. The weapon was found behind a church in the community. There was also success in St. Andrew South as the police seized two pistols, a Luger 9mm and a Magmil 9mm, along with 8 rounds of ammunition during an operation in the division on Friday. An abandoned building was searched in the Tower Hill community and the weapons were found. Meanwhile, members of the JCF's Lottery Scam Task Force, supported by members of the Jamaica Defense Force, Customs Contraband Enforcement Team, the K9 Division and the Specialized Operations Branch, conducted a pre-dawn operation in the Barnett Street and Granville Police area of St. James on Thursday, which resulted in 3 targeted raids. One woman was arrested and charged under the Dangerous Drugs Act, while 2 men were taken into custody for questioning. One motor vehicle was also seized during that operation. Additionally, members of the Trelawney Division and the Joint Anti-Gang Task Force conducted simultaneous operations in sections of Trelawney on Thursday, where lottery scamming paraphernalia, to include various oils and potions believed to be used by scammers seeking protection from law enforcement officials, were seized.
Teach them! Hey, yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!